Hi all, in this video I'm going to show you how I did my own holographic pink glow-in-the-dark dipped color. The first thing you want to have is a clear translucent powder, and I mixed a glow-in-the-dark already dipped powder and a shimmery pink mica color and also a holographic clear dipped powder. Once you have the colors in there, you want to mix them really good. And then I applied them to my nails. So if you'd like to see how I did that, then keep on watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do try your own mixes at home, I would love to see what you guys come up with. Please give this video a share, and you will see me on my next video. Thank you for watching again, and have a wonderful day.